Hi friends, today we are going to learn how we can convert our image, colored image, into a black and white by just one click. See, this is the interface of Photoshop, and we will just click on image menu. When you click on image menu, the second option is the adjustment. You will bring your mouse over here. The different options you get, but you will just click on black and white. See, when you click on black and white, your image turn into a black and white. These are different colors. Actually, these colors are of your image color. See, dress color was purple. So when I will drag this button to the right side, it will become darker, and I am taking it right side because I will need more dark color of dress. So I think it's enough for me. And this is also color of the chair. See, when I am moving it, the chair color is changing, but I need a light color, so I am dragging it to the right side like this. See, it is okay for me. Now there are other different colors which I don't think so that I need to change this color. Then I will click on OK button. In this way you can change your image in a very simple way from color to a black and white. If you want to learn more, keep watching my more videos.